What's going on? We're back. Right, so the last two videos I posted yesterday explaining a few things. For those who have been following me on this miniature timeline for the last 2 months, are you realizing yet what is going on? Now, people are messaging me from the last previous videos, people saying, I've got a lot of positive feedback. I appreciate all of you guys. But there's some idiots out there, yeah. Shaun thinks he's this, Shaun thinks he's that, Shaun thinks he's a spiritual god, blah, blah, blah. No, bro, your head is west. Your head is absolutely west. Now, I posted early hours of this morning. You can go check it on my story. It's a YouTube video about the coronavirus, the fucking scam, and the pandemic bullshit, and the shit they tried to pull off, which failed. Go and listen to that. It's like 44 minutes long. That might give you some kind of insight as to what's going on. My previous two videos, i.e. the user guide, is just giving you basic information, very, very basic principles of certain things I've learned in life, because I knew all of this way back. I've already mentioned it to you. I'm not no spiritual god, mate. I'm just tapped in. You're not tapped in if you're coming at me with this BS. And those who are, they know, they understand. Do you understand what is actually going on right now in the world? President Trump is stopping, the Federal Reserve, China and the virus, the vaccinations, child pornography, trafficking, Hollywood. The list goes on and on and on. And you're going to see this continuously every day. It's going to be popping up everywhere, especially in the next 4 weeks. Every single day, this information is coming out at you. I don't think I'm nobody. I'm just telling you. Do your damn job. There's people out here messaging me. Help me with this, help me with that. Oh, mate. The reason people are suffering, the reason people are miserable and they are trapped, they have been trapped in the cycle, and I've been there as well, again, speaking from my experience. Check the other videos and get the message correct. My other videos, the cycle, the trauma, the BS, the stages of breaking cycles so we don't repeat patterns, so we can achieve more in life, so you can actually give back to the planet. The people who have been running the world, who are no longer, they're getting decimated left, right and centre. These people are parasites. Parasites feed off energy, the energy of people, government, mind control. Go research it. People have parasites in their body and they don't even know it. They're controlling their habits and behaviors and cycles. This shit goes deep. Go and research it. It is hilarious, mate. Life is funny. It's too funny. Dancing all over it. People are trying to scrape the way to success, or they were in the old system. I've been there as well. I try to make money and do all this shit. Money's the easy part, bro. Money galore. Money's easy. The reason you're not making money and the reason you're not happy with the current situation, and something now inside of people is saying, oh shit, when this information is coming out, oh no, something hasn't been wrong for a while. I'm starting to recognize it now. Piece the fucking dots together, because it's not difficult. And I'm just giving you the insights, because right now it's up to the people, the individuals in this time, because the powers have tried to fucking kill everybody in very, very many different ways. And I put all of that in the book 7 years ago. It goes deep. It goes deep. It's just facts. It's just fucking facts. Go research it. If you're living outside of common principles, common life understandings, if you're living outside of your own genius abilities and your capabilities and listening to dumbasses, it can even come down to family members, friends who don't know what the fuck is going on, you watching the television, the government who don't even know what the fuck is going on because they're being pulled by strings. Your head is west. Your head is spinning down the fucking abyss. You hear me? So with that being said, people are scratching on the system, trying to make it, but they can't make it. They're not making it. Why? Because life isn't going to reward you with what you want to do because you're doing it in the wrong way and you haven't put the work in to give back to yourself, your family, and the earth. And that's what time it is right now, and that's what I'm just trying to say to people. So anybody who's commenting on my videos saying this guy is on drugs or he's fucked in the head, no, bro, your head is west, believe me. Not my head. Your head is west. I've been through stages in life where my head's been west, and I still knew what was good. Oh my days. The next 4 weeks, you're going to see bombardments of information come out from all of these dirty motherfuckers, what they've been doing, from the acts, behind the scenes, all the child porn shit, the child trafficking, the charities, people out here trying to donate to charity. The charities have sucked all your money and they're putting it back into the same thing that's actually controlling you. So be your own charity and give back knowledge, information, wisdom, experiences. Do it your fucking self. Stop relying on other people for this BS. Stop being a pussy. It's actually hilarious. So don't comment on my videos saying Shaun thinks he's a god or Shaun thinks he's this or that. No, bro, I'm a dissector of information. I'm a dissector of life. System destroyer. Get your head right or bounce. It's as simple as that. The parasites on the earth right now, it's a time where earth is getting cleansed. Okay? Everything you've been told is a fucking lie. So fucking take responsibility of it. Humanity now is coming out of denial. As you come out of denial, okay, your head's going to be a little bit spangled. I've mentioned this in previous videos. As your heart opens, as your mind tries to open, as the earth is accelerating at rapid speeds right now, but your subconscious mind has been heavily infiltrated with shit. Your body is full of parasites, which are controlling your thoughts, yeah, and your habits. I've been there. I've had to get rid of all of that shit on multiple levels. And information just comes. Success just comes. Money just flows. You know, it's no game. You have to work on all of the different pillars in which I actually put. I think I mentioned the 4 pillars on one of my forex videos. Once you start to do that, all of the blocks start to be removed. You start to elevate. Okay? Your mind starts to open. You start to integrate into who you are. And you start to integrate into new foundations of knowledge. You start to realize, holy shit, I have been living in dream world, la la land. A lot of people are living in la la land. All the money and all that kind of shit. Been done all that. It's easy. It's easy. That's light work. Who gives a fuck if you got 6 whips, bro? We've done all of that shit. Still gonna do that shit. 60 whips, 100 whips. But at the same time, you fucking clock on to what is going on and you give back and you continue to evolve. Otherwise, that shit is just worthless. You're just making money. You're just in a loop. Let's just make this figure this month, this figure this month, this figure this month. The reason you can't accelerate beyond those figures is because one of the pillar structures, which I mentioned in previous videos, life isn't going to reward you to get to the next level because you are acting like a Fraggle. It's so easy. So every single day, information is streaming. I'm putting it onto my Instagram. People are too pussy to share this stuff. Oh no, what about my reputation? What about this? What about that? People are saying to me, stick to forex. Yo, fuck forex is easy, bro. Forex is easy, bro, and you're going to see in the next few months what I come out with. I'm smashing out world records out here. That's easy. So don't tell me what to do or what to stick to. I didn't come here just to look at a chart all day. I'm not on this earth just to look at fucking charts and press buttons. I am not a robot. You are the robot. Go do your robot work. So you just have to get with the program. Do you understand? Do I look high to you right now? No, I am plugged in. I am fucking crystal clear clarity. I've been high in the past. Can you not recognize the difference? I knew this time was coming for a long while, and in time, I recognized it is now time to clean up and level up. But you lot don't get it. The people that do, though, there's a lot of people who do. And I've got a lot of people who I connect with, online and in my network that get it. They get it, and they're doing the work, and they're giving back and elevating in life and growing as people. They're growing as people, but there's other retards as well. You have to step away from the retards, mate, who can't see straight. You try to give people insights and pointers and tips, and they throw it back in your face. They ain't ready. Their success is going to be minimal. They're still chasing the coin, chasing the paper. I don't chase paper, bro. I don't chase paper. Paper chases me. So get with the show. Get with the program. My man Gary V has been preaching day in, day out. Okay? His message from his experience. Take responsibility for your own actions. Stop relying on your parents. Stop relying on the government. If you want to be happy and successful, fucking sort your head out, bro. Sort your head out. How hard is it? Is it just me, or is this world dumb as fuck? I'm not too sure. Slowly but surely, though, people are starting to realise. But again, it's still behind the times. We're still way behind the times. But we have got time to work. I say 4 or 5 years this transition's going to take on the planet. And you either sit there whining and complaining about, I want things to go back to normal so I can go out and have a drink. You are in a daze, bro. And you are suffering. You're suffering inside, and you want to go out and do that shit to eradicate the suffering. Because, again, an internal part of you wants to evolve, but you're also trapped in the fucking program that you're battling yourself. So stubbornness has to go. Stop relying on other people for shit. Be sovereign. That was my message in the last 2 videos. Realize, undo, reprogram, deprogram, detox, decalcify, and you can have anything you want. So we can work together on it as responsible individuals, or we can continue to just be retarded. If you continue to be retarded, life isn't going to work out for you, because that old paradigm's gone. That old paradigm's gone.